Hello everyone, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. So today I'm gonna bring to you a new model from the New Balance running line. The New Balance Fresh Farm with Y Farm. And it's from the running course of New Balance. Okay, so let's check out the model. So here I have in my hand. Oh, from the first impression, it looks so great. So sporty, but also so fashion. Okay, so here is a quick look of the model. As you can see, from this model, there are three main parts. The upper, the midsole, and the outsole. So let me recall it a little bit detail. So with the upper, the main material is knitting material. You can see a lot of ventilation hole here in the top box. And the cushioning in this is super thick. You can see here from the color. And the extra foam here to protect the back of your feet whenever you run. And the tongue here is super thick too. Yeah, you can see the layer here. Oh my god. It is so good, and I think it gives you a lot of comfort wearing this sneaker. And there is no iron laces, no iron eyelets also in this model. And with the midsole, it has a very nice way of forming the form, like with a lot of different patterns, and the change of color here is super like elegant and natural. And the technology here is fast form. Actually, it is not so soft as some of the sneaker of the sport line that I have, but I think the soft level here is still like comfortable for the one who like go with like regular running. And the outsole, it have a lot of like different pattern to keep the balance of you whenever you run. And yes, one special feature of this model is that it has the knitting stitch with like some kind of shiny color, like shiny blue color at the middle of the part of the logo. So I think it looks very stunning. And yes, that is basically my first impression of this model. Hold on. I forget to check the insole. So the insole of this sneaker is removable, and it is different from the fashion line insole. So this is the Fresh Farm insole with very good feeling like a sportswear sneaker. Yeah, there is basically two layers. One at the front, like to give you comfy and like cushions, and one of the back is thick layer plastic, so that it will help you feel more comfortable using this model line. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.